Good morning. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 19th of December. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. Educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own shots. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. We had a really interesting day on crypto yesterday, and so far, so good. We came back and tested the daily middle round on Bitcoin. I was mentioning in the morning, well, we broke my channel here, which was disappointing. And I was rather hoping that would hold. It didn't. So that we lost that target on the upside. But in the webinar yesterday, I was talking about the possibility that we had a little head and shoulders forming here, and that broke down. Almost made target, but we might see a bit of follow through today and make that full target, which I've got at about 97,500. Looking at Solana, we saw a bit more downside there too. I've been talking about the possibility that we would see a low retest, and we've seen it. On the daily chart, we've now got a possible daily RSI 5 buy signal brewing. We got down to pretty close to the 3SD lower band as well, and obviously it could continue down. But the reason I was talking about a possible low retest here was to set up a double bottom, and the target of that double bottom would actually be break up from that and make target, and that gets us back to almost exactly 264 and a retest of the all-time high. I'm really liking this. This still looks like a bull flag. We've gone back and retested the low. It's very nice. I'm wondering if we might see another retest of that low this morning or this afternoon, but so far, we've done no technical damage. I've been saying that the important thing to do is to hold the 200 level as support, and so far we are holding it. As long as that remains the case, then I'm liking the upside. It's and this is a good. This area looks like a buy. On Ethereum, nice looking double top here, and I have been a little concerned about that, but we've not seen any real technical damage here either. We're testing the daily lower band. We had a little head and shoulders here too. I mentioned this again on the video yesterday, and again we almost made target on it, and I'm thinking we may well see a retest of that this morning. If we do, then that looks like a buy too. At the moment, no significant technical damage has been done. We haven't broken down from this double top on Ethereum. On Solana, we haven't broken down from the flag. We've retested the low. We've got a potential level bottom that can take us back up into a retest of the all-time high. This is all looking pretty good. And actually on equities this morning, I was talking about the likelihood that we would see a rally here because of the hits of the 3SD lower band on SPX, on IWM, and on DIA. And I think while that is happening, I think we might just head off and retest the all-time high on Solana. I'm liking the upside here. I didn't see anything I wasn't pleased to see yesterday, apart from the break of this channel, and it was quite a steep channel. So, it's always a shame to lose a nice pattern like this. But this is something I was talking about yesterday morning. We've gone away, we've done it, and it's set up a very good buy setup as long as support here holds, and equities are likely to rally here. If that is the case, then there's no reason to think that this won't hold. So I'm liking the upside. Anyway, I'll have a post out today, and I'm going to be talking about this, but that's where we are. And this is not a bad setup for a long, really, on crypto. As long as we're holding this support, we are looking. One thing I would mention is I have been mentioning on every post that we're going to see a larger retracement at some stage, but the obvious time to do that would be after we've got the next move up. And I'm thinking that may well be what we see next. We shall see how that goes. But if we do see that, then I'm thinking we may well see a larger retrace next year, and then the daily RSI 14 sell signals play out. But in the meantime, this is looking pretty good. We've done no technical damage. We're holding the daily middle band on Bitcoin, and we just retested the low on Solana, which was something I was thinking we might well see. I'm thinking we might retest that again today. And after that, I'm liking the upside. All right, great. As long as 200 holds on Solana, that is the key level. Start doing serious damage underneath that, and likelihood is we're in that later retracement, but we've hit it now. But I'm thinking that's not the likely way this will go. I think this low is probably going to hold, and I'm liking it. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. No questions? I don't think. No questions. All right. See you guys tomorrow.